Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start now, you must clear debris and wax from the chip, so use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Let the surface dry completely. Next, activate the Kia paint pen by shaking it vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds, then depress the tip on scrap until paint flows. You apply a thin first layer, press gently, hold the pen perpendicular, and fill only the damaged area. This first pass sets adhesion and prevents runs, so work steadily and pause if paint pools. Once the first layer bonds, continue building thin layers to match surrounding paint. You should wait about 10 to 15 minutes between passes. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than one thick coat to reduce shrinkage and visible seams. Make short, controlled strokes to feather the edges and blend into the factory finish. This prevents a raised bump. If a coat dries uneven, very lightly sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit before the next pass, and always wipe clean so dust doesn't trap. Finish by allowing the repaired area to cure 24 to 48 hours. Keep the car out of direct sunlight and rain while paint hardens. If the gloss looks off, you can lightly polish with a fine rubbing compound and a microfiber cloth to match surrounding sheen. Work gently to avoid cutting through the repair. If you see lifting, remove any loose paint, clean the spot, then repeat the thin layering technique. This troubleshooting step restores adhesion and prevents recurring peeling, so be methodical and patient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.